Welcome to the Rich Enterprises video series. You ask, we answer, precise answers to your direct questions. Today's question is, what are the elements of a good script? The elements of a good script are quite simple and quite straightforward, really. We have a beginning, a middle, and a closing. The beginning is something that's really designed to capture that particular prospect's attention. It may be something, it may be a question that might be able to get them involved in that conversation. Once again, we want that to have a good, solid conversational approach rather than a scripted approach. Hopefully we can grab their attention with some kind of an opening line. And then in the middle, we're going to present them with good, solid facts and information in regards to your products and or services. Could be a quick synopsis on how your product or service compares to other businesses. It could also be some information as to why they might need your product, perhaps your service. And then at the end, we want to have a good, solid closing. We really want to know what our end goal is of that particular call. Is our end goal going to be to get permission to send them more information via email so that we can follow up and then have that secondary call result in a lead or, let's say, an appointment? Is the end goal going to be perhaps getting them to commit to a set phone appointment, let's say for Tuesday next week at 10 o'clock? Perhaps another possibility would be the end goal would be a good, solid, qualified lead that might be open to a webinar or perhaps even an in-person appointment. So it really depends on your campaign as far as what that closing part of it's going to be. But once again, we've got a beginning, which is really kind of our opening, where we're trying to introduce the product or service. Secondly, we have the middle, which is you could also refer to as the body of the script, where we're going to emphasize some key points, some key talking points for their consideration. And then the third part, which is going to be the closing, and that's really what the end goal of that particular call or campaign might be. To submit your question, please visit our website at richworldwide.com, view our blog, or reach out to us at 888-443-5247. This video series is brought to you by Rich Enterprises. We look forward to the potential of working with you.